Hi there, my name is Dave Blake from EasyGates Direct, and today I'll be talking you through a bit about how to program the ON3EBD, the Nice Bidirectional Transmitter, into their radio receivers, the OXIBD. I'll also be showing you a bit about the MYGO2BD, which is their new successor to this transmitter, also available in 4-channel and an 8-channel. So first things first, we're going to be showing you how to program this directly into the radio receiver, and then I'll show you how to copy it from remote to remote. And also take you through a bit about the bidirectional features and what that can do as well. So first things first is I'm going to program this directly into the radio receiver. So if you locate the Learn button on top just here and press it once and release, you'll see the LED next to it will be flashing corresponding to the number of presses that I've just made there. It will have a different behaviour if you press that more times. So for instance, if I press it twice, it will give you a pedestrian input mode, and 3 times open only, 4 times close only, etc, etc. So let me just press that again because it's timed out. So press it once and release, and then press the button on the remote control you want to learn in, and you should get a vibration off the remote control as well as a confirmation with the green LED at the top. So what I'm going to do now is just going to wait for this to time out, and then I'll show you that this has actually learnt in. Okay, so now the LED's gone off, I'll show you that this remote is now operable on the system. Again, every time you click this, you'll have a confirmation vibration within the transmitter itself, and you'll have a green LED at the top to indicate that the signal has been transmitted and received by the receiver. So now that's the ON3EBD is programmed into the radio receiver, I'm going to show you how to code in an additional transmitter, which is the MYGO2BD, using the ON3EBD transmitter without having to go down to the radio receiver. So first things first is I want to take the old transmitter or the working transmitter and the new transmitter and bring them interface with one another. And then I want to press the button on the new transmitter or the unprogrammed transmitter, and until the LED lights up on the working remote control. Now this might take a bit of moving around. There we go. So now that's flashing. If I press the button on the ON3EBD that operates the gate, that should copy over the signal onto the new MYGO2BD. So if I press that button now, that will operate the gate. And again, with the newer transmitters, it will have a small vibration in the remote control and a green confirmation LED at the top to indicate that a signal has been received. So that's the coding of the transmitters and how to get them into the radio receiver itself. But having this bidirectional feature means that you can actually learn the state of the gate and what position it's in. So for instance, if the gate has been left open or is partially open or is fully closed, if you're not aware of that or unsure of that, then one of the things that you can do is you can send a request with your transmitter to get that information from the control panel. So if I do a demonstration now on this LED and show you exactly what is being displayed, if you press the I button down here and then the button we operate the gates with, the red LED is currently telling me that the gate is in the closed position. Whereas if I send it a command now to operate, again I've got the green confirmation the signal's been received, and then if I interrupt the travel, if I was to press this I information button again and the button that operates the gates, I'm going to see an orange LED now. Slightly similar to the red LED, but it's notably different, and that is indicating to me that the gate is in the partially open position. If I was to have my gates in the fully open position and press the I and the button I used to operate the gates with, then I'd be seeing a green LED status there. Again, with the new remote control that I've coded in, slightly different with this one. Instead of having an I button as a separate channel on the remote control, it's actually embedded into the LED at the top, which doubles up as both the button and the LED indicator. So if I just press that just once and release, and then press the button I used to operate the gates, again, you'll see now the gate's fully closed. I've received the red LED. If I press it again, get a green confirmation, and the gates will start to open. If I interrupt that travel, press the I button and the button. I used to operate it, I got the orange LED. Basically, that's everything you need to know about the ON3EBDs and the MYGO2BD transmitters. For more information, visit our website manuals.easygates.co.uk, where you can download all the latest information on these transmitters. For more information, contact our friendly technical sales team on 01384 569 942.